All right, so you just got to the gym, or maybe you took your gi out of your laundry and you realize the drawstring is either stuck in the backside of your gi pants, or maybe it even came all the way out, and now you have to restring it in a pinch. So all you need is one thing, which is a wire coat hanger. These aren't too common these days, but I recommend any gym have one to be able to restring gi pants quickly. This one's a little thicker, so sometimes it does get caught up in the gi, but it does the trick. So first, if the drawstring is stuck inside here, it's gonna take forever, if even possible, to end up restringing it by hand. So we're just gonna go ahead and pull it all the way out. Next step, we're gonna tie, and see how this still has the hook on it. I'm gonna tie the end of this to the hook of the clothes hanger. All right, so we tied it to the end of the clothes hanger. Now I need to make sure this goes all the way through the back of the pants to where it comes out, and then we can actually tie our gi pants now. To make it easier, instead of going in on the side that you tied the knot, you're actually gonna go the opposite side. That makes it much easier to feed through. So I feed this through. And let's see, sometimes, like I said, depending on how thick the coat hanger is, it can take a little bit of time, but we're gonna pull it all the way through. Let's make sure we get this hook in there. All right, so we got the knot through the hole. That's gonna be the hardest part. Then we're just gonna feed it all the way through. Getting caught on something in this last little bit. And voila. We have the drawstring, so now just take it off the hook and we're good to go, ready to train. Gi pants are fixed. One little quick tip to help prevent this sort of thing from happening: tie 1 or 2 knots. I would go actually a little lower at the end of the drawstring. That way they don't get stuck in this back part of the pants when you wash it. Another thing you can do is actually just tie your gi pants like you would if you were wearing them and wash them that way. Especially, I've noticed with no-gi gear, my drawstring comes out of the no-gi shorts a lot. If you just tie a knot at the end of the string, it'll help prevent that from happening. If you like this simple jiu-jitsu trick, make sure to like and subscribe. What are you doing? Let's go!